Na, 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 na. Oh yeah, yeah. And that, yes, powder.
Oh, I'm leaning, 420 leaning. You know I don't no steaming. Secrets you're keeping, I never keep them. I know you seen them, seen in the Rolls Royce leaning. Chick named Janina, slim like my Nina. Out in Miami, Dolphin Marina. Let me fly you out where it's sandy. Tastes like candy, face on Yandy. New B-Day 28, just granted. Pink brown eyes, all Asian and slanted. Niggas all on you.
Hi guys, it's Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on this lovely unit that I have on top of my head. But guys, this is a unit by Main Concepts. It's from Main Concept. It's from their brown sugar. It's from their brown sugar line, and their brown sugar line usually has like their human hairstyle mix, and it says so on the card. So this is what the stock card looks like. Okay, and it comes with care instructions and tape on the back, and this is a frontal unit, not a lace front, but a lace frontal unit. What does that mean? It means that, baby girl, all this whole front here is lace. Okay, so it means you can part it anywhere from here all the way over to here, any way you like. I like doing the flip over method with these units, because no matter how you flip it over, you can see the lace. So it's like, it looks like a parting. It doesn't look like you just flipping over a unit and you see a bunch of tracks. Okay, so yes, I just flip this and you see scalp. You see, get close, girl. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like I'm just flipped over to excuse the glue on the side, because I've been doing wig reviews all afternoon and there's glue residue. Okay, but not glue, but it got to be glue. But yeah, so cap construction, it does have combs, but they're like further back, so for me it's like it's not even necessary, like in the middle of your head. Comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it has moldable ear tabs. Not really ear tabs, moldable sides, like right here. But I don't really see the point of that, you know. This is a unit that you could glue down. However, this is not like most like human hair frontals, where the lace comes up over to here, and then you can cut it so where it fits you. It kind of like tapers back. As you can see, this is the lace. It tapers back so it goes over my sideburns and some of my edges. So that's something that I wouldn't glue the whole thing down. I'll probably just glue it from like here to here. Fine, I think I've done that plenty of times with the Crispino wig by Bobbi Boss. So because they had the same issue that I have with this wig, with how the lace tapers off to the sides. Tangling, this is like a wavy unit, so I wouldn't run my fingers through it too much. So there is tangling, but I have not brushed it out or anything. It's just not, I don't feel like it's necessary. The wig is really nice. There is some shedding, but I don't know if that's because I accidentally cut the unit a little weird, and also because cutting the baby hairs. So running my fingers, like I haven't run my fingers through it because I don't want to mess the curl pattern up or the wave pattern. So I can't really give an honest answer on as far as shedding. It is big head friendly. I adjusted the straps for all the way with the tabs, and it's comfortable on my head. Like it's real comfortable. So with a frontal unit, the fun with doing the frontal unit, besides the fact that you can flip her over or not, and just because I didn't mention it before, this is a color 2. I love my color 2s. So again, like the fun of it is actually styling the unit. So I'm gonna do the typical, you know, styling.
I booked the flight, baby, I just landed. I just ran it to you at Camden. You still got it, Yorkdale shopping. You're still popping, you're still top of my list. Girl, I've been in it so deep, I ain't slept in 5 weeks.
This is always a fun style for me to do, because it gives like a youthful, like playful, flirty look. So this is definitely one of my go to styles with this one, with these frontal units. And also this keeps the hair out of your face, because as you can tell me flipping it everywhere, the hair goes everywhere. And another style that, you know, we could do.
This for the girls born in the 90s. I'ma let you finish, let me get to my girl. I've been in it so deep, I ain't slept in 5 weeks. Side thing, man, when she not who I breathe. This for the girls born in the 90s. I'ma let you finish, let me get to my
money. I hear the raps talking, gotta relax on it. These girls get me in trouble all the time. Out here looking for a nightmare in the rough. Yeah, and this goes to the ones that die for the ones that never turn the thoughts when summertime comes. Ain't no second thoughts when I need some deep baby girl, that's why I need you.
Alright, so just so you know, you don't have to be confined to how your unit comes. If you still like to play around with hair, let's say you want to, you know, purchase human hair, and for, you know, your budget's it's not budget friendly for you, you can definitely purchase this unit. I got her off of GoBeauty.com, and definitely this is something that you can do, something really quick, something really cute and really quick, and I look fabulous. I look like I, you know, style my bundles when it's really a lace frontal, a style human hairstyle mix lace frontal unit by Main Concepts. I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I will be playing around more with this unit, making different styles, and yeah. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the styling. And I probably got all these gold bobby pins back here, but oh well. This was quick. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, hit the notification bell down. Hit the notification bell. Comment, tell me what you think about this unit. You know, just subscribe to a sister. You know, help me. You know, follow a sister. You know, help a sister out. Also, go over to my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I will post anything there before I post it here. Thanks for watching.